All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Nice, beautiful, hot day here in Chicago. Over at my house, giving you an update on the Dodge Ram today. And we finally have Eric back with us.
Hey, what's up, guys? And we finally have me, but then we finally got his ass to not be at work. So win-win.
Yep, it's finally time for us to get working on this truck. I know it's been a while. We've been hitting up a lot of car shows, doing a lot of events. But I did get our leveling kit in. It is the Rough Country loaded strut suspension. Got it here. It's been sitting here for a while now, just waiting to find time to get to the shop for the Dodge Ram. Now, you guys got to let us know, what are we doing with the Dodge Ram? Are we going to do 28s?
Or are we gonna lift it up?
What are we doing? Leave in the comments below. Let us know what you guys want us to do. All right, we're gonna check out a couple of shops.
Yeah, I want to see. I'm not too familiar with all the truck aspect of it, so he's gonna take me out, show me different wheel options we have, different tire options, because it's all Greek to me when you talking about tire options for these trucks. So he's gonna learn me something today.
Yep, I'm always learning something with him when he's doing his motorcycles, because he has his Harley and he always plays with it a lot. But we are gonna do some more modifications to it.
Parts. We need parts.
Yep, motorcycle parts.
Stock.
All right, we're at Crusader Customs.
They're closed.
What were they closed for?
They're at a car show.
Oh, okay. They're at a car show.
So I don't know where. It doesn't say.
We don't know where. Well, off to the next spot.
Then make it 4 Whoppers. But I want pickles. I love pickles. I need pickles.
You need pickles in your life? You want 4 Whoppers?
To get out the way. No, act like you ain't eating 2 of them.
Okay, can I get 4 Whoppers? Alright guys, we're on our way to the rim shops, taking a look. But first, we got to stop and eat some Burger King. And there's a line.
Yep.
Do not like the lines. Nice little line. Alright, since that line's too long, we are going over here and going inside.
Yeah, because if we walk inside, that counteracts the calories that we're going to intake.
Yes.
Science.
Fat kid science. Alright, let's go get us some food. Alright, well, since the door was closed, we gotta go back to the drive-thru. Now people are moving. So let's order us some food. Driveway. Buy one, get one $1. Alright. You want cheese?
Hi, 1 second.
Alright, you got 1 second. Give me 4 Whoppers. And a Diet Coke. Trying to watch my way here, guys. That's a long 1 second. Huh?
Just making a Burger King vlog.
Yep, Burger King vlog.
We should do a mukbang and just order one of everything on the menu.
Yes. Remember when me, you, and Robert, you went to White Castles? Robert went to Burger King. Then I went to Taco Bell.
Yep.
Then we ate all our food in one restaurant.
Yep.
That was hilarious. What did I get for each
Nice.
Big Whoppers.
And then now we're still waiting for Sean's food. Oh, we gotta take a detour. State police say nope. Can't get on 55. Not today. Ooh, Ford.
Yeah, there's an accident right there.
Yep, we had an accident. Oh well. Back way we come.
All right.
That's how you leave the shop.
That's how you leave the shop. That was the owner. We were over here at Infinite Customs. They didn't have anything on display, but he's still making music, guys. So yeah, he said he's gonna message us on Instagram, get us some wheels, and we're gonna take a look and see what we want, and we'll take it from there. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. A couple of shops were closed due to one going to a car show. The other one just barely closed when we got there. So, but that's the end of the video. Make sure you guys see it.
Hit that like button and subscribe.
Yep, and we'll see you next week. Stay on.